Hello, this is Rosie and I am here to tell you about spreadsheet. What are the function and formulas which we are using in MS Excel spreadsheet? So firstly we will discuss about formulas. Formula, that is an expression that calculates the value of a cell. It is a method by which new values can be obtained from an existing range of values. In other words, we can say easily that formula is a method by which new values can be obtained from an existing range of values. Now, what are the components of a formula? Any formula or function always starts with a is equal to sign. Always put the equal to sign before writing down any formula or function. Then cell address like A2, B4 or range reference, you can say that like B4 to B16, all these values should be there. Mathematical operator like plus, minus, multiply, divide, brackets, or you can say parenthesis, and last is your function. There are so many type of function for which we will learn in this chapter, like your sum, minimum, max, count, and so forth. After typing a formula for a specific set of value, we can press the enter key, and then the output of that, the result of that particular calculation will be in front of us in a respective cell. Now the next is, what are the possible errors or error result which we can see in the MS Excel when MS Excel doesn't evaluate any kind of formula, and what are the possibilities of that. Firstly, division divided by 0. It error will be displayed when any value will be divided by 0, because that is an invalid operation. Second one is your NA, data is not available. Value, that formula contains some invalid data. Ref, that formula can't locate the cell, that it is unable to find the related cell. And last one is your name, that wrong formula typed here. Mathematical operators which are used in MS Excel, that are the same as maths, arithmetic operator, plus, minus, multiply, divide. And MS Excel also follows the BODMAS rule for solving the values. Now the next one is your cell reference. Cell reference, that refer to the cell or range of cell in a worksheet. It is a combination of column letter and row number that identifies a cell on a worksheet. It can be used in a formula so that Excel can find the value or data that we want that formula to be calculated, like A1, A1 to A10, all these. Based on different use cases, there are three basic types of cell reference. First one is your relative cell reference, second absolute cell reference, and third one is your mixed cell reference. A relative cell reference, that recognizes a change in the location of a cell and updates the formula accordingly. When a formula is copied across different cells, the value in the cell change automatically based on the relative position of the cell. And this type of referencing is by default in MS Excel. Therefore, it is the most commonly used cell reference in the while using the different kind of formulas and functions. Second one is your absolute cell reference. This method is helpful when we need to update only the value of one cell. All the formulas that are referring to this cell are automatically updated. When a cell reference remains fixed, it is known as absolute or fixed cell reference. And it consists of column letter and row number of a cell, and each is preceded by an dollar sign. Next one is your mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference is a reference that contains either fixed row number or column letter of the same cell address. Thus, we can say that it is a combination of relative and absolute cell reference. Now the next one is your function. Functions that are inbuilt formula in MS Excel. They eliminate the need of entering formula manually, then it saves our times. And for example, like we could add numbers by using the sum function, like is equal to the name of the function sum, then brackets is open, a1 to a5, that is the cell reference or cell range, and then brackets close. This function sum all the values from cell a1 to a5. In other words, We can easily consider that formula perform a specific calculation in a particular order based on the specified values, which are known as arguments or parameters. Now the next one is your function library. The function library that can be found in the formula tab in MS Excel. It consists of different functions categorized as per their rules. What are their uses? They are categorized on the base. Some of the buttons that are available in function library group, like your insert function, financial, text, date and time, and auto sum. The insert function button open a dialog box using which other function can be searched. Now the next one is your auto sum. Auto sum automatically adds the number in the selected range of cells. It is the most commonly used function in MS Excel, and apart from addition, it also has option for finding minimum value, maximum value, and the average of the selected range of cells, or we can count the number in a particular cell. The auto sum button is also present in the editing group of the buttons on the home tab. Now the next one is your what are the steps of using auto sum feature. Firstly, we have to maintain a worksheet like this given below here, item, then month's name, and then values are there. After that, select the resultant cell in which we want to display the result. Like here, we have selected B7 as the output cell. After that, click on the home tab. In home tab, editing group, you will find an option auto sum on. You can see here clearly. Click on auto sum. When you click on auto sum, a function name or function usage will automatically add up in this condition, that is equal to sign, then function name sum, then value of the cell which we are going to be calculated, like B2 to B6. It will cover all the value. It will provide you the total of all the values which are exist between the B2 and B6 cells. And after that, when you press enter key, this will display the result. Some other function which we can by using auto sum feature, like you can see here on the drop down arrow, sum, average, count number, max, min, and if you click on more function, it will display a large list of functions which are available in MS Excel. Thank you.